I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes.
So starting with foundation, I'm going to be using Too Faced Peach Perfect in the shade Swan and applying it with a beauty blender.
You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody.
Next, we are going to conceal those dark circles with Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in the shade Ivory.
When I'm with my baby, yeah, all the bad things disappear. You're making me feel that maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere.
To fill in my brows, I'm going to be using Anastasia's Brow Powder in medium brown.
Deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can't hear ourselves. Pictureless, I'd rather kiss them right back. But all these people all around, I'm crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't think we fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in.
Today I'm going to be using Too Faced White Peach Palette to create a peachy look suitable for everyday wear. First, I'm going to be using the shade Peach Cream as an all-over-the-lid color.
All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
Using Peach Suede for the outer V and Cream de la Peach for the center of the lid and bringing it down to the bottom lashes.
Take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. No, I don't like nobody but you. It's like you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't care. I don't like nobody but you. I hate everyone here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. Yeah.
Next, I'm going to be taking the color Peach Ice and using the color for the corner of the eyes. Lastly, taking Glistening Peach and using that on top of Cream de la Peach to give a pop of color.
I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
So I'm going to be using a liquid eyeliner, and the one I'm using is a Japanese brand called Heroin Make Smooth Liquid Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be using Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express in the shade Very Black.
And I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say.
For cheeks, I usually use the Makeup Forever Blush and Contour, but today I'm going to be using a recently new purchase, the Too Faced Sweetie Pie Radiant Matte Bronzer.
I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel that maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
Using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone for highlight. As you can see, I already hit pan on this product. If there's any other amazing highlighters I should try, please comment down below.
But people all around and crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't think we fit in at this party.
On a daily basis, I usually use a lip balm and a lip gloss on top. For this look, I'm going to be using Bobbi Brown's High Shimmer Lip Gloss in the shade Bellini.
But now I think that we should stay. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights.
So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. Bye bye!